Here in central Tokyo, the construction of a new home is underway. These days, many homes are made by assembling together steel columns and crossbeams. But at this site, instead of beams and columns, we see a large box being hoisted by a crane. The box is now being placed on top of another one. The house is being constructed by stacking several of these box units. This unit will be the third floor of what will become a 4-story house when complete. Let's take a look at how these units are constructed. This is the factory of Satoko, the steel company that makes the box units. It's located in the city of Joetsu in Niigata Prefecture. Inside, columns and crossbeams are being made for use in high-rise building construction. The company has one of the highest certification levels for making steel frames. As such, it's able to do business with major Japanese general contractors. Pulling in is a specially designed truck for transporting units all over Japan. Each unit is 3 meters wide, 10 meters long, and 2.9 meters high. This is the maximum load size allowed under Japanese road regulations. The company calls this modular building method SSUT, or Satoko Steel Unit Total Technology. The floors of the units are made of a special material called ALC, or autoclaved lightweight concrete. The material is lightweight but very strong. It's also highly fire resistant and has superior soundproofing qualities. The president of the company personally took part in its development.
重量鉄骨で、耐震性能、あと基礎も含めてですね、そういったものの、安心な建物だということをまず第一に考えて。
These units are completed server rooms. They were made using the SSUT building method because it makes for portable structures with sturdy construction. Since 90% of the production work, including the interior and exterior finishing, equipment installation and construction, is done at this factory, the overall process is streamlined and efficient, resulting in much lower construction costs. This nursing home was built in March of 2011 using the box unit construction. The home is located in a snowy region of Japan. At times there can be 3 meters of snow on the ground. The long and harsh winters limit construction time. The box unit construction is especially well suited for such locations. This is because most of the production is done at the factory, minimizing on-site construction work. This also greatly reduces construction costs. The nursing home was built in just 4 months. The 100-person home was built using 182 units. Let's take a look inside. All of the rooms were made the same so that residents would be able to switch rooms smoothly. Each room includes a brand new electric bed for comfortable sleeping and a spacious sink area. By minimizing construction and basic facility costs, the home was able to install an advanced and expensive bathtub that allows residents to bathe comfortably.
安全、安心、快適、自由に過ごせる。これはご利用者もそうですが、預けられたご家族様も同じこと。さっきお風呂を見ていただきましたが、非常にお風呂場は広いです。建物にですね、かかるお金をですね、安くされた分、そちらの方にですね、回せることができましたので、私としたら非常に良かったかなというふうに思っております。
The box unit construction method also works well for hotels, apartments, and company dormitories. The units are very strong since they're made with precision using heavy-duty steel frames from a highly accredited factory. They can be stacked 8 floors high.
で、あとスピード感ですね。他の建築物よりも相当早く、そうですね、3分の1ぐらいの工期で、建設ができるという。
Back at the construction site in central Tokyo, A crane truck that can lift up to 65 tons is backing up towards the site. The box units weigh close to 10 tons each. The street needs to be at least 6 meters wide to accommodate the crane. Right on time, the truck transporting the box units from the Niigata factory arrives. The box is carefully prepared for lifting. It's designed to resist warping and deformation, but nonetheless the workers proceed cautiously. In regular construction, structures are formed by connecting cross beams to the top ends of columns. With the box unit, the bottom ends of the columns are also connected to cross beams to form a box. This structure prevents the box from warping or deforming as it's hung. Once stacked, the units are joined together. Special wrenches are used to tighten bolts made of high tensile strength steel. With this method, the entire structure will absorb the shaking caused by earthquakes, instead of the forces being concentrated just on the joints. In a construction created by stacking multiple units, strength and precision are all important. Once the units are stacked, the individual columns must be aligned and joined perfectly to form one straight column from the ground to the roof. This box unit construction house is also located in central Tokyo. Built on a 33 square meter plot of land, the 4-story house has an area of 100 square meters. Let's take a look inside. The first floor consists of the entrance, garage and storage space. On the second floor is a Japanese-style room. Despite being contained in a steel frame structure, the room has a very warm and comfortable feel to it. The third floor has an all stainless steel kitchen. It also serves as the dining room and living room. Part of the third floor ceiling opens up to connect with the fourth floor space. It's filled with bright light from the outside. This is the view from the fourth floor looking down to the third floor. We spoke with the owner of the home to see what he thought about his new abode.
ある日突然建物がここに置いてあった感じなので、通常柱を立てて組み上げていくという過程とはやはり違う、何段階か飛ばしているような感覚はありました。すごく想像していたよりも綺麗に仕上がっていたので、クロスにしても何にしても継ぎ目等があるかなと思っていたんですが、かなり綺麗に仕上げてあるので。
The box unit construction caught the eye of an architect who wanted to build reasonably priced, comfortable homes in central Tokyo, known for its sky-high land prices. His plan starts with finding small, cost-efficient plots.
今まで、近代といいますか、土地と建物という2つの要素があった時には、建築はどちらかというと、土地に従属しているというか、土地がありきで建物というものを考えて、そういう時代がずっと長く続いたわけですけれども、今いろんなところでですね、いわゆる情報の流通であるとか人のコミュニケーションが形を変えて空を飛ぶような形で自由にできるようになったという世の中になってくると、必ずしもその土地に結びつけられなくても、例えばカバンのように建物を持ち歩くといいますか、そういう人間の自由みたいなものが新しく表現されてきてもいいんじゃないかと。
Before, it was rare for a top-level steel manufacturer to build individual homes. However, this new method of manufacturing high-quality units that are delivered directly to construction sites may lead to a whole new way of thinking about building homes.